Welcome to Highview Haciendas Subdivision, located at Santo Rosario, Tinabang. Boundary lang po ito ng Mabalacat at Magalang, Pampanga. 5 minutes away, nasa NLEX na po tayo. 10 to 15 minutes away, nasa Clark Freeport Zone na po tayo. Ito po si Arian, single attached, with 77 square meter for the lot area and 32 square meter for the floor area. With 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, kitchen, dining area, and living area. Sa likod po ng Arian Model Unit, meron pa po tayong extra lot na pwede nating gawin dirty kitchen or ang ating magiging wash area. Ito po ang harapan ng ating Arian. On this side, pwede po nating gawin mini garden. And on this side naman po, pwede pong i-park ang isang sasakyan, SUV or sedan. So, ang harapan po ng Arian Model Unit, nasa inyo na po kung paano natin siya pagagandahin. So, may mga na-turnover na po tayo dito na linagyan ng sariling fence and gate nila. Mamaya po, I'm going to show you yung mga sample po na na-turnover unit sa aking mga kliyente kung paano nila pinaganda ang harapan ng Arian Single Attached. Now I'm going to show you the inside of this Arian Model Unit. For Pag-ibig Financing, you may screenshot the sample computation. And also for in-house financing, you may screenshot the sample computation. And for more details mga katuknangan, don't hesitate to call my number. And also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Tuknangan. And also, don't forget to like and follow my FB page, Tuknangan. Maraming salamat mga katuknangan. Hope to see you all sa ating magiging bagong tahanan.